sticker time. Woo! Well, hello everyone, it's Kim here. I am so happy to be back in action here on my YouTube channel. And what a better way to get things rolling than with some stickers. I am been so excited to be a part of the Laura Casey affiliate team. They gave an opportunity for us to go ahead and preview and pre-purchase the new sticker packs so we could show you guys exactly what's in store for you on March 17th. Mark your calendars, mark your planners. So there'll be a launch for 2 brand new sticker packs, and I have them right here. We're gonna take a look at every single page, every single sticker, and you can get a look at what they're gonna be like so you can purchase yours as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around and go ahead and get started. Stickers, who doesn't love some stickers? Oh, happy day. And here we are. We have our 2 sticker packs. They are different and packaged differently than the sticker books that has a cover. This is how they're packaged with a cello bag, and they are 4 sticker sheets and a very reusable backer card, which I think is a great touch. So we'll go through all of that, but let's start with this garden sticker pack. This is the first sheet that it comes in, and of course you can see a lot of gold foiling, a lot of the similar blooms in which we are very accustomed to for Laura Casey and Cultivate What Matters. I'm trying to go a little slow, but a little fast. You've seen these before, you love them, especially when they're gold foiled. So I'm gonna tilt it a little bit so you can see, but some of the little ones are not gold foiled, and then sometimes the little ones are fully foiled. So it's a great addition to our monthly views, our weekly views, all of the fun things that we love about Laura Casey and her products. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the side and move on to the next one. The next one has a lot of smaller repetitive colors that we see in when we're trying to color code. I love the little flowers, and these are on circles, as you can see. So along with the roses, color coded exactly. There's a large and small roses along with, now they have different colored little blossoms. I like the little watering cans that you can certainly use in your regular planner as well for reminding to water your plants or to just water and cultivate your own sense of accomplishments. We have some sunshines that are circles, and then a few sayings along with more blossoms on the bottom. Garden Girl, I like that because a lot of us do grow our own food for our family. So this is a great sticker sheet. Lots of stickers on each one, very well spaced, utilizing a lot of the space. Wow. Can I just say, wow, every single one of these on this sticker sheet is foiled, the whole entire sheet. So let's go through each one. A lot of the same repetitive designs, just in a smaller form. These are all on white background, and they are not clear there, and they're not shiny. They're on opaque paper, nice flat paper. So that is that sticker sheet. And the last one is this one. Again, looks very similar to this one. It is the same sticker sheet, except it's color weighed. I think that's a great touch. Let's look at all of these. Good cut lines. Of course, lots of stickers and blooms and interesting colorways like that orange sticker. All right, and let's look at the backing card. It says, this packaging is too cute to throw away. No doubt, hang this print up somewhere you need an extra dose of encouragement. Of course, bloom where you are planted, one of her famous mantras that she keeps repeating for us and very much appreciated. So again, 4 sticker sheets and the garden stickers pack. Let's go through and look at the next one. This is the wellness stickers. I'm gonna open it up and get started. And here's the wellness. A lot of us are really tending this a lot in the beginning part of the year. And I love the fact that she's come up with these at a perfect time. When, like me, I am slipping off a bit. We've got some weights, some cycles, some running. I love the trophies. That would be great for a designation for maybe soccer practice for our kids. We could use that in our traditional everyday planners. And we've got stretch and steps. We've got a plethora of times. You could do that for wake up time in the morning or time yourself while running. And then the bottom, I'm gonna try to get as close as I can. Those guys are just so cute. aren't they? And they're all in different colorways, and we all need our beauty sleep, do we not? Let's tend to that as well. The next sticker sheet is very repetitive of the one that's in the sticker book. I love these saying. I'm actually pretty much out of them. And on the bottom we have, I'm grateful for, a lot of gratitude, the things we can cultivate to make our lives better for others as well. Next sticker sheet are these 1.5 inch squares that are great for our Erin Condrens. It fits great and perfectly in there as well. Lots of great sayings. A lot of these are in the sticker book already, but I love that there's a couple new ones. This one I have not seen yet before. And these are smaller in the old sticker book. I love how she made them bigger and bolder. And of course, who doesn't love some fruits and veggies? Love me some broccoli, great for meal planning, reminding to hydrate. And then we have, of course, shopping carts, taking vitamins. That could be like a doctor's appointment. You go plus for first aid. Don't forget to floss, everyone, please, please. And then, hello, we can say wash our hands, reminder to do that. I know a lot of us are concerned about the current virus situation. And then we have these hearts that I think are very interesting. The inside is cut out of the hearts, but if you were thrifty like me, what I would do, and I plan to do, is use the sticker heart and then go ahead and cut the whole strip out, and you can actually use it as a strip of a washi strip with the holes cut out. And how cute would they be? They are very well printed and centered right on point. So that's 3 extra sticker sections for me to work with. Again, same saying on this side, and this time it says make it happen. Let me see if they are exactly the same size as the previous sticker book and if they will definitely fit in my binder. I have, if you're a fan and have been here a while, I thank you. I adore using my Cultivate What Matters. It's just a 3-ring binder from Avery, and then I usually have this stuck here, but it was, this is my goals breakdown. I've got lots of videos on that, but here I just want to flip to some of my sticker sheets. As you can see, I'm getting low on blooms. Some of them are reminiscent, and some of them I have not seen yet before. I use a lot of these square ones, definitely not just in my Erin Condren, but all over. And then she does have this page, this Prioritize Wellness sheet. Obviously, I haven't been using a whole lot of those, but it's nice to get a replenishment. So let's go ahead and take a look at the size difference. These ones are larger, so they fit just fine in my Avery binder. There is definitely clearance on top and bottom, but you get more sticker. Isn't that handy? All right. They do. Let's take a look. Let's see if they will fit inside one of our clear Avery sheets here. I have these and I put some of my postcards in them, and oh, definitely they fit perfectly right here in my Avery clear protective binder parts. So if you didn't want to punch them, you can certainly add them with these Avery sleeves as well. I'll link all the information you need to pick up not only these stickers, but binder parts that I've come to love and cherish in my journey here with my PowerSheets. Again, we've got the wellness and the garden and the information below, and the links that you can find. These are there, and I hope you guys enjoy the shopping as much as I do. Thanks so much for stopping, and we will see you next time. Bye.